Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the font style on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option display, scroll down. Here you can see the option font size and style. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option font style. Tap on this one. These are the default font style that we get on our device. If you want to download more font styles, tap on the option download fonts. So here you can see lots of font styles. Some of the fonts are paid and some of them are free. So if you want to download the free font style, tap on the option top free. So these are the two. Now it's available on here. So here I am going to download this one. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now it's installing. Now go back. On your font style list, you can see that the font style that we downloaded, you can see here. Now I am going to apply this one, select this one. Now you can see simply the font style is changed. Samsung phone allow you to change the font style for the personalized look. You can see it is very nice, right? So simply in this way we can change the font style on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.